To make this Excel worksheet more presentable, we'll use a few more things. We'll use conditional formatting, we'll insert image, and we'll insert Excel shape. For example, in this table here at the top, what I want to highlight before printing this Excel sheet is which is the biggest expense in my table. So first highlight the data that you want to use the conditional formatting on it, and click on the conditional formatting tab in the styles window. So this is the one. While the data being highlighted, click on conditional formatting, click on highlight cells rules, and click on greater than. And you can find any numbers. For example, for this particular exercise, I want to find out the expenses which is greater than $500. So I'll put my $500 here, and it basically says when you find these numbers, make it light red fill with dark red text, and you can change your selection if you wish. Click OK. So as you can see, my biggest expenses are car for $600, which is $500, more than $500, and rent, which is $1,500. So this is how you can use the conditional formatting to highlight your numbers. Second, we'll insert an image into this worksheet. So put your cursor in G3 and go to Insert. When you click on Insert tab, you have a few choices. You can insert images from pictures, online pictures, or you have some more, few more options. In this case, I'll go to online pictures, click on online pictures, and find a suitable picture. For example, type in budget and enter. So Bing will find pictures related to budget. These are all online pictures. Click, select one of them, and then click on insert at the bottom. So budget picture that we just downloaded from Bing has been inserted here, but as you can see, the picture is big, so we'll need to resize it with our just the manually resize until you think this is the shape that you want to use. I will make it a little smaller so I can put it in my worksheet. And I will drag it to next to the heading and click anywhere on the white space. To make this worksheet more presentable, I'm going to insert Excel shape, and I'll show you what may be the benefits of inserting Excel shape here. So click your mouse on G5 and go to Insert button at the top if you are not already there, and click on Shapes. In the Illustrations tab, Illustrations area, and click on Shapes and find the rectangular with the round corners. So your mouse turns to one with the plus sign, and with the mouse you can just create a round rectangular shape. So as soon as you insert the shape, you have the shape format tab opens, which gives you some more functionality to go along with it. What I'm trying to do here is I'll highlight some of the expenses. I would say one of the expenses, which is the biggest one with our shape. The shape has already been selected. Go to the shape fill button, drop down and select no fill. So the blue color has gone. Click on the shape outline And if you want, you can also change the color of the shape. I will make it little bit more, I'll change it to orange for this exercise. And I will drag it to the biggest expense. Just get out of the, what I'm going to do is just bring the shape here. I'll resize it so I can highlight the biggest expense in our budget, which is the rent. So with this insert shape, you can do all sorts of fancy things. For example, just select the shape again if you're not already done, and go to the shape format on top and go to shape effects and go to glow and select one of the glow variations. For example, I'll say glow 5-point orange and click anywhere on your white space. So I mean, it's up to you how you want to present your data to your audience, and you can have it a simpler version of this particular shape, or if you want, you can add the fancy formatting.